Kyle Shuchuk, top producer of Century 21. Welcome to North Bolton, an incredible opportunity for a buyer to purchase an end unit freehold townhome that's been upgraded and immaculately cared for. Welcome to 30 Rolling Hills Lane in Bolton. The community of North Bolton is close to historical downtown with all your shopping and amenities around the corner and all along Highway 50, making running errands easy. Also close by is a recreational wellness center, public and Catholic schools, and the location of this home allows for easy commuting to highways 9, 50, 427, and Mayfield Road. This end unit, all brick, 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom townhome has gorgeous curb appeal with its low maintenance landscaping, gray brick, new roof and windows, and its designer glass front door. This end unit allows for convenient access to the low-maintenance landscape backyard, which includes a large entertainer's deck, metal canopy, beautiful perennials, making this a beautiful space to entertain and relax. A bright foyer showcases modern ceramic tiles, 2-piece powder room. The upgrades begin with the renovated living rooms, 2 custom built-in bookshelves with crown molding, new baseboards, trim, hardwood floors, and a large window. The living room is open to the modern kitchen dining area with 2 additional custom storage cabinets and ceramic tiled floor. Renovated spacious modern kitchen includes sleek black appliances, glass backsplash, gorgeous quartz counter, double sink, and additional large pantry. The large kitchen area flows perfectly through the new sliding glass doors, an updated staircase with new railing, and high quality underpad that continues throughout the second floor. All bedrooms with Hunter Douglas window coverings. Bedroom 1 with custom desk and storage unit. A queen size second bedroom with large closet overlooking the backyard. A king size master retreat with a large triple window, designer shears, a walk-in closet, and a semi-ensuite, immaculate spacious bathroom showcasing glass doors. Thank you for joining me on the virtual tour of this gorgeous end unit freehold townhome in North Bolton with a spectacular, relaxing backyard. Contact me as I look forward to making this your home.